Ooh, I'm too lit. Watch me hop up out the grave. Yeah, they too scared to swim while we making waves. Ooh, I just made a splash. I just made a splash. Hey, I just made a splash. I just made a splash. Necessary, everything is necessary. Hey, legendary, my click on that legendary. Yeah, I just made a splash. I just made a splash. Hey, watch me make a splash. I can make a splash.
What about that intro though? Ooh, she ready? Okay, I'm saying. So this is the packaging of Allove hair. Allove hair. I think it's Allove hair, but I think it's Allove hair. And the box is really cute, really small. And those are like, you know, just how the box comes and stuff. And the little wigs that they have on the back and stuff. And this is how the wig comes packaged, right? This is what it looks like in the package. Just showing you guys everything from the rooter to the tutor, honey. What I love about this, we're gonna have to realize about the wigs that I've been getting, is that the lace is brown. It's not like white. It's brown, and I like that. To me, it meshes better with my skin. So for this, I repeat, I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. I didn't even put foundation on the lace. The only thing I put foundation on was my cap, which you guys will see. So I just took it out and then started plucking it, and then I went ahead and got some what that name again, mousse, and it's from the brand Lotta Body, and it's a Jamaican brand. It's a Lotta Body, but it's a Lotta Body, the Allove in Jamaica. But I bought that one at Vivian's Beauty Supplies in Portmore, at Portmore Pines Plaza. So I did this because I'm a peak meal do it, but I said, oh, I really want to like a fly with them, so it wasn't necessary. So that's what she did, because she ready. And then I just plucked it up and out, and I kind of plucked a bald spot. I didn't mean to, but you know, she was still ready. But that's what it looks like, and it comes with a center part, see? So now I'm going to cut off the excess lace from the wig, and then I'm going to apply. But this is some little something. So for the part, the pre-made part, I went in and I tweezed some more from the pre-made part, and from the beginning of the pre-made part, I also tweezed out some hairs as well. All right, boo. So this is their Remy Straight bob wig, and it is 12 inches. It's 13 by 4. And it's 130 percentage density in. So as usual, my stocking cap, and then my got to be freeze spray, and then I'm gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and, you know, blend the lace. Now the lace wasn't melted, which for these kind of wigs, I really suggest you guys do the bald cap method. My one was done haphazardly, and it still had the effect of scalp, you know. So I really recommended the bald cap method for the wigs. So in the frontal, really can look better with the bald cap method. So it's not melted into my skin, but it got the job done. So now I'm just gonna fit the wig on my head. I love how this looks. And I do have the wig set on the smallest setting, you know, like when I adjust it, I did adjust it to the smallest setting because of how small my head is. So that's what it looks like, just put on. So I love how I tweezed it, but as I said before, you know, I kind of accidentally tweezed the bald spot in there, and it can be rectified easily. Just it's the time with the cap. If it was more flush, it would look way more natural. You know what I mean? But I didn't make it that flush because I was doing this video just for you guys. So after this, I just went about my day, honey. Just like, just, you know, a little sledge for y'all and stuff. So yeah, so now I'm just going to use my got to be free spray. And that's what I'm using to adhere the tabs down. So it's 13 by 4. Definitely a lace front. And sometimes I spray the got to be on my skin. And sometimes I actually spray it on the lace and then put the lace on my skin. So here we go, baby. Now the only thing is that the got to be leaves a shiny look. So I wish I had like I wanted it to be very easy for it to apply, especially for those of us who aren't really versed in you know, like the closure and frontal sphere. So I wanted it to be easy to apply it for you guys. And to me, I love how it looks. The only thing that I think I could have done better was to take the sheen out from what the got to be free spray did. But I love how this came out.
Yeah, jump out the whip on them. You know how I get, homie. I'm too sharp for these dub brothers. Too smooth for the rough cutters.
this is the bob wig from Allove Hair, Allove Hair. And yes honey, it is 12 inches. I had requested, but I think this is like hitting more like 10. It is a center part, an original center part. We're gonna find the center part. It's somewhere here. It's original as center part, but I like when the center parts go all the way back, you know, and it leaves everything flat up top. So for this wig, I'm wearing it as like a deep side part of sorts. Now I do live in Jamaica and we have a very tropical climate, and I am a little bit dewy, you know, sweating right now. So I'm going to turn the fan on in just a couple of minutes, but I want to talk to you guys about this hair. I love how it feels. I'm not remembering the, what you call it now, the origin of the hair, or the Indian, Brazilian or whatever, but I'm actually going to leave that in the description bar for you guys. But it's their bob wig. It's a full wig as you guys saw, and I did not bleach the knots. I was going to bleach the knots, but I decided not to, because again, I wanted this to be a wig that I just put on and go, you know what I mean? I didn't want it to be a wig where you have to be fiddling with and waiting for this to dry, for that to dry. So as you guys saw, I did a mousse, I plucked it a little bit, and I plucked a little ball spot right here. So I'm gonna have to go with some foundation, not with some eyeshadow, and just fill that in. Also I use, as you guys saw, the got to be to add hair. I don't have like a blow dryer, so I dry it with the fan. Yeah, but so far so good. I am getting shedding, which is, this is a cute style. I am getting shedding, which is normal for when you get new hair, but look at this right now, honey. I am loving this luster. Look at that. And it just moves. It just moves. It's so nice. Extremely soft. And I'm just honored to be working with Allove Hair. And I love when my wigs like this. I love like this look. This look for me is the look, honey. Yes. Yes, and I barely flat ironed it. So I started to flat iron it, and then I was like, okay, I don't want her to do that no more. So I didn't stop flat ironing it. I also got a shirt from them as well. And what else? The hair is good quality. I love the wig, and I wanted to do something that's like easy for you. So what you have to do if you're a newbie is you definitely have to cut the lace off, and I would highly recommend doing the bald cap method. I did the bald cap method of sorts today. I didn't go like head on in with the bald cap method, but that will also help lengthen your edges to look a little bit more natural. And as you guys see, there are no baby hairs whatsoever, because I'm not really good with baby hairs. So I don't like doing my wigs with baby hairs because I'm not good at them. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like, 12 inches. But I will definitely correct the length in the description for you guys. And yo, it's lit, bro. Like, it's lit, honey. Like, I love it. I love it. And if I want, I could use a got to be and like do this up some, you know, kind of make it stay up there a little bit, because I got to be, yeah, alright, so just for it to stay up, so I don't have to keep fiddling with it. But yeah, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thanks to Allove Hair for sending me this to review. It's good, y'all. It's good. It's good. And like, my skills are so sharpening up, and so I love doing these hair reviews. It helps me to hone my skills. But this is it for this video. I'm getting warm. I know jungle must start sweat. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and don't forget to check out everything for them in the description bar as well. Alright, cool.